Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. This is Yakuras Moments, and today we're gonna talk about the 5 best transitions that you can do with your GoPro. Let's go for a walk, guys. Cool, yeah? And those transitions, you can apply them to any camera, not just the GoPro. You can apply it to your DSLR, you can apply it to your phone if you record with your phone. And for the editing part, those transitions, you don't need to do any crazy editing. You just need to apply a small cut between the two clips and connect them. And the transition will feel seamless because of the moves that we're gonna make after with the camera. So let's get started. The first transition that I like is the slap or high five. You can call it whatever you want, but with this transition, you record your sequence, and when you want to finish it, you just slap the camera, you cover the camera, the lens, and you need to make it black, as you can see, right? And when you make it black, you can stop the video and change the location, change your background, whatever you want to do. And when you're ready for the second clip, you just start by covering the lens, make it black, you cover it, and you reveal your new background, your new sequence, your new location, whatever you do. So this is the first one, the slap or the high five, and this is the example.
This is Pro Transition.
Alright, and the next transition is the whip. The whip, you can whip it any direction. It's called, so you can make it up, down, left, right, doesn't matter, you just need to make it very quick. And this blurriness that the camera will have, this is gonna be the transition in between with the cut, right? So you need to just make sure when you record something and you whip it, so I whip it on the left here, right? So the next shot, I need to whip it again on the same direction, again on the left. I'm gonna do it opposite because it's gonna be weird. You need to make it seamless. So if you turn it, for example, like this, left, you do it like this. The first clip, you finish it and you do it like this. You need to continue the same direction. So you press record and you whip it the same direction, right? So you need to make it like this, so it's gonna be seamless. I hope you get it. So see the example right now. Alright, third transition is pan up to the sky. With this transition, you just record what you want to record, and at the end you just pan up to the blue sky. Make sure the sky be similar on both shots, so you just pan up to the sky, you make it blue, you stop recording, you change location, you find something else that you want to record, but you start from the sky, You press record with the blue sky and you go up and you reveal your second shot. And on the post, of course, you make it very seamless because you go up with the blue sky and going down again. It's like you didn't change anything, but the location is different. Alright, see the example here. Fourth transition that you can use is the clap. With the clap, you're just changing location, and you can use also finger clip. You just need to synchronize it after on the post, and this is the example. Let's go back. Fifth transition, and one of my favorite actually, is the jump. With the jump you record actually your feet and you need to jump up in the air, and in the middle you need to cut your clip and put the second jump with a different location where you jumped, and it's gonna seem like you jump and you land in a totally different area with a new location. So check out the example. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below if you have any other nice idea for transition, and maybe I can try it in the next video. Those 5 transitions that I show you, I think everyone can do it very easy, and you can improve very well the flow of your videos, guys. And you don't need also to pay any extra money to buy any ready transition packs. Right. You can only leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, so I can make more videos like this one, guys. So that's the video, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Oh, I destroyed something here. Let me close with transition.